Ask Tom on Home Show.
Pamela from Rockview Central, New York, has a question about venting options.
You know where that is, right? Long Island? Long Island? That's where she is.
I don't know, why is it that long? I think we have other places here in Texas that are longer.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you, you go out to Mount Montauk and you tell me how long it is, all right? So she has a 2-story cape, Tom, and Pamela writes, there is no soffit venting, but there is a ridge vent. She says, I'm getting quotes for roof replacement. I want to know my options for venting. I have 2 gable vents, and I insulated the house about 7 years ago, and the slopes are stuffed with blown-in insulation. She says one contractor suggested a solar fan, and a couple said a ridge vent with 2 gables would be fine. What's your opinion?
Ridge vents are the way to go. Solar vents are things that a lot of the roofers are pushing today, which, you know, in some cases is fine. It's not going to hurt you any. It doesn't burn up. It doesn't start fires. It doesn't do the things the other old vents did, and I'm glad about that. But quite frankly, just ridge vents and soffit vents. It's that simple.
So why wouldn't she, so what about the gable vents she has? Should she close those up when she puts the soffit vents in?
We talk about closing them up. It's not like there's a door where you're going to make a door to close them. But what you can do, and quite frankly, if you do or don't, it's still better to have soffit vents and ridge vents, right? Okay. But if you do get windy days going here and there, it would be nice to have even a piece of tar paper just over the vent just to keep the wind from blowing back and forth.
Okay, so maybe obstruct those somehow, put in the soffit vents, and let them work with the ridge vents.
Yes.
All right. You got a question? Tom can help ventilate you as well. Just go visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom. You like that one? Click on the Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in, and we'll do a video just like that, just for you, and we'll post them every day on our Facebook page.